Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from MecArmy. Now this here is their X6 version I have here. It looks like it's SW. Now I was sent this by MecArmy directly. They contacted me via email. They wanted me to test and review this light from them. Comes in this box. Now this is a keychain light, so let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Very nice packaging here. Definitely suited more for like a gift idea type setup here. Wow, a lot of stuff in here. So it looks like you got a lanyard here. Looks like there might be something else in there. I'm not sure what it could be. Take everything out. Now it is a lanyard, so it's more of a lanyard necklace. Nice idea on that. Adjustable. Got the little push button. And we have one USB charging cable. That is a micro. And we got, of course, a key ring. And two O-rings are in with that. And those are extra, so there's some already on the light. Now there is a protection piece on the battery, letting you know to remove that. There's a MecArmy card here, with the thanks on the back. Now this user manual is super small, but no need really. There's only two light levels, front and back on that English. So let me bring this up to you close as I can. Unfortunately, it is small. As you can see there, 130 lumens is the highest output. Remember, it's a small keychain light running that Cree XP-G2. Very familiar with that LED. And everything else is out of the box. Now this is vacuum sealed, so hopefully I have a quick way to rip it open. Here we go. That's what that looks like. And there it is. Small little light here. It's got the name right here. Key ring can go through there. This thing has got some weight to it. Definitely does not feel like they skimped anywhere when making this host. Got your twist on and different light levels the more you twist it. So let's go ahead and take a look here. There's that Cree XP-G2 LED. Such a small LED. Very famous with these, especially in keychain lights. Style and design on this is very nice. I like this area here. It's definitely unique. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. I mean, for such a small, tiny little light, they went all out on this. Now, I've reviewed their lights in the past, and they've always been very impressive. A little bit of dust there. Okay, well now let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll take the protection piece out of this light. Gotta grab a hold of the base just right here. Small little battery, and the protection piece is down here. See it right there. We'll show you the battery that it comes with. I'm very familiar with these batteries. They don't take very long to charge up. Hopefully I can get my camera to pick that. This is the 10180 cell. It's not going to be a lot of milliamps behind this. I believe that says 100 milliamp, but it doesn't take much for that Cree. It's very efficient, so it doesn't take a lot. This is an unprotected cell. So let's go ahead and get this. I want to make sure I got all the protection pieces out. I'll put it back together. Now, I've already turned the head of the light earlier, so it's basically going to turn that until it shuts off. Turn one level here, and then the other level go a little all the way maxed. So it's going to be screwed completely tight to get that highest output. See, it's got a pretty large hotspot. Not too much on the spill, but that's okay. If you're just using it on your keys, this is going to be just fine. And of course, to make it last longer, you're going to want that lower. I think this is 30 lumens, so it is cool white. Impressive beam. That is pretty impressive. And this just rotates freely with your keys, so you don't have to worry about it twisting up or anything like that and popping off the key ring or twisting it and losing it. Turn it all the way off. So now I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the head of the light, so you can see once you unscrew it, the head doesn't come away, so you don't have to worry about losing it. That's a great idea. There are some lights you have to completely separate the head and put on the charging port, and then you lose stuff. So this here all built right into the light. That again is the micro USB port. Got one O-ring here as well, already on the light. Might put a little bit of silicone grease on there just to make it a little bit easier to turn. And that's all there is to this light. Nothing difficult, just a low and high. Feels rugged. This finish on here is very impressive. It almost has like a flat finish feel to it, but it's super smooth. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the MecArmy X6, little tiny keychain light here, built like a tank. Let's go ahead and get started here. I gotta turn it with my hands, so start over here. There we go. There's the beam on the fence. Kind of give you an idea. That's about 22 feet from where I'm standing. Kind of give you an idea on how the beam is performing at this light level, the range of it. And it is faintly making that water spout 38 feet. All coming from this little light. Let me turn it up to the next level here. Takes a little bit more turning. There we go. Water spout 38 feet. Now it is making that tree. There's 65 feet to this tree from where I'm standing. So that's a good 80 feet of range on this, if you ask me. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's see if it'll... And it is faintly making the tree of life. The whole beam is hitting that. All from this little keychain light. Impressive. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance. You can see easily 70, 80 feet with this beam. Maybe more depending on the situation and your weather conditions. At least 80 feet of visibility with this little light. Could be great for emergency situations where you don't have any flashlight on you. You always have your keys, especially when you're driving. This will always be ready to go and should provide you, if you need to look in the car, maybe even change your tire, could be anything. Walk into your car and it's dark outside, you've got this to be able to put your keys in. Now I know most cars have remotes, but in any case, same way, you need a key to get into your car, you need a key to get in your house. You can't do it without seeing with this. You've got it right here on your keychain. Now you have several ways to carry this. Of course, you can carry it around your neck like a necklace. Pretty cool, neat idea. Key ring, of course, is here. Easily put this on here. Now I wanted to show you what it does when you're charging it, and I've got a little power bank that I'm going to show you with, and just a little one is all you need. Not very many milliamps. You should be able to quickly charge this, probably within an hour, if even that. Not very much. So as you can see here, it's got a little red light on there. So I did use it in a night shot, so it does need to be charged again. So that's what it does. So it does indicate that you're charging it, and very easy. Now it does come with the cable. Now the power bank is mine, so charge it on the go. Super easy to operate this, and just thought I'd show you that before we end the video here. This one's really in there pretty good. Those micro cords, they have like a little lock pins on it, so they really lock up good. Okay, well, I want to thank MecArmy for sending me this X6 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video in the description box. I'm also working on a special discount code. If I do get that, that'll help you save some money on this little flashlight kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you could please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from MecArmy to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.